Have you ever wanted to make a beautiful Gajra bracelet, but didn't have jewelry making tools at home? Then watch this video till the end. Because today, we are going to make this beautiful bracelet using just a toothpick and a nail cutter instead of special jewelry tools. So let's get started. For making a Gajra bracelet, two materials are especially important: memory wire and floral bunch. Memory wire is easily available at jewelry material shops. You can usually find it for around 100 to 200 rupees, depending on the quality and size. The floral bunch is mainly used to make the individual floral strands that we will add to our bracelet. You can usually find it at a jewelry material shop near your home for around 200 rupees, depending on the quantity. And if you are buying it online, you may find it for around 300 rupees. We will also need a lobster clasp, 7 jump rings, seed beads, and crystal beads. But there is one important thing. Whatever number of chains you use, make sure that all of them are the same length. For one normal size Gajra bracelet, I am using approximately 4 strands of crystal beads. Now let's move on to how we are going to use these materials, because this part is very important. Sometimes the holes in 6mm crystal beads are slightly larger. Because of that, the bead can slide through the memory wire. So what do we do? Whenever you notice that a crystal bead is slipping through the wire, simply add a seed bead so that the crystal bead stays securely in place. It's a very simple trick, but it makes a big difference. And now we are finally coming to the part I promised you at the beginning. We are going to make this bracelet without a special jewelry tool. For making the loop, I am going to use a simple toothpick. You don't need to buy a new tool just for this. A simple toothpick can also help you create a neat and clean loop. I will also show you the same step using a proper jewelry tool so you can compare the results yourself. As you can see, the toothpick also gives a very clean finish. And when I make it using the tool, the result is almost the same. In fact, I personally feel that the toothpick gives a very nice finish. But now, I want to know what you think. Which method do you find easier, the toothpick or the jewelry tool? Don't forget to tell me in the comments section. Now you can see that there is some extra wire left after making the loop. We need to remove this extra wire because it can keep getting caught in our clothes. Cutting it with scissors can take a lot of time, and using a cutter can also sometimes be difficult. So here is another simple trick. We are going to use a nail cutter to cut the extra wire. Yes, a normal nail cutter that you may already have at home. It makes this step quick and easy, and you don't need to purchase another special tool. Now all the floral strands have to be prepared in exactly the same way. I have already prepared several of them here. So once your L'Oreals are ready, we can start assembling our bracelet. First, we will take the memory wire and make a loop at one end. Make sure that the loop is properly closed. This loop will stop our floral strands from sliding off the wire while we are assembling the bracelet. Now we will start adding our floral strands one by one. And here, you need to remember one very important thing.